Welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are at HomeGoods today. I want to go in here and see if they have anything coming in for the fall or even Halloween. I recently made a Halloween collage. I'll put it on the screen, and it kind of got me a little excited. Normally, I don't love a ton of Halloween decor. However, I don't know what it is this year, but I am liking a few things. So I thought I'm gonna go to HomeGoods. It's been about a month since I've been here, and see if they have any fall stuff coming out or even Halloween stuff, because I saw all of that on, I think, Pottery Barn, Terrain. Where else did I see some good Halloween stuff? I can't remember, but I'll link the collage down below. Anyway, it just made me think, wait a minute, before you shop at any of those stores, you gotta check HomeGoods, because HomeGoods sometimes has those hidden little treasures that cost a lot less. So I figured, I don't know if the Halloween or fall decor is out, but I'm gonna go see. So I thought I'd take you with me. So let's get in here. Let's see what's new at HomeGoods. Yes, they have Halloween and fall decor, starting with these little pumpkins. So cute. Little pumpkin pillows. And even the glass pumpkins for like shelf decor, even coffee tables. Lots and lots right now. Oh, actually, look at this one. This one actually looks like super high quality, $14.99. That one is so cute. I kind of like the pattern on it. Looks higher end to me. This one's always a good one too. Cute neutral pumpkin, $16.99. This is a little spooky. Ooh, I feel like funny even touching it. $13 for this metal snake. Ooh, cute for a coffee table for Halloween if you decorate. Actually, I kind of like this bowl. $17. Kind of cute. I think we're getting to that time of year at HomeGoods where they start having way more things. These are really cute. $10. You guys know I always show you these. I love these for the kitchen and like building a collection of them. These are pretty too. Let's see how much. 10 as well. We have some gold back there. These look like that brand. Can't think of the name of it right now, but these look so high end. 13, and then these salad tosser servers match the charcuterie, wood charcuterie over there that I just showed. Oh, I like these. Stripe, of course I would like these. Honestly, some of these little plates are so cute, especially if you have kids. I think I showed these last year. I love those, and look at these ones as well. Definitely giving Nancy Meyers. $4. Oh, those are so pretty. Maybe more for like spring and summer, but I think they're gorgeous. Oh my gosh, and these two. I love $12. Oh, that's so pretty for outside dining. These votives are so good. If you see these at HomeGoods, you gotta get them. $10 for 16 of them. They're just like the perfect little size, and a little bit of a different, like, unique size as well. Okay, I kind of like this little, oh, he's in the bowl. I was gonna say if he was separate, it'd be cute for a coffee table, but he's a part of the bowl. Okay, this time of year is when I start seeing better decor at HomeGoods. I think it's like the holiday season, but I'm seeing some good stuff. Some lanterns coming in, also way more trays. These ones are stunning. 25, pretty big. That huge one's 40. Also, these mirrors are gorgeous. I'd tone it down or even paint it black. $30 for this like oval mirror. Kind of lightweight though. Such good vases. Also, these little balls are pretty for fall. Add in another texture, 20. So good. So many vases right now. And also, bust. Oh, that's heavy. One sec. She's $20 and she's hefty. Very, very like substantial in weight. So good. $70. It's really small, so perfect for a small space. And the perfect wood tone. That is really, really gorgeous. A lot of the lamps are the same, but look at this one. $130. I love it. I'd probably want to do more of a tapered lampshade just to kind of give another shape, because I feel like the lampshade is too similar to this shape, but I kind of love these green little side tables, 100 each. I don't know, I kind of like those. It also comes in black as well. Okay, this marble table is so good. 150, it's solid. That's gorgeous. Honestly, there's such good decor pieces right now. Look at this marble vase. It's so hefty. $40, looks so high-end, absolutely beautiful. They have such good stuff. And look at this bowl, $16.99. This wood little catch-all. What's this called? It's called petrified wood. Sounds weird. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. Let me know if I'm saying it wrong. And then this little vase. I like that it's smaller. This one's 13. Most of the time these vases, I'm looking for big chunky ones, but sometimes a small has a time and a place. There's such good stuff. Lots of blues. I'm noticing a lot of blues lately. Such good stuff. Also, these bookends. I love these. Such a beautiful throw blanket. Has like an ombre look to it. And these as well. So pretty for 20. I don't do a ton of like pumpkin or Halloween things, but this blanket is like perfect for someone like me who doesn't do that but wants to maybe add in a little bit. 25. And then it also comes where the pumpkins are orange as well. Okay, but honestly, this is kind of cute. I like this neutral one. Comes in black as well, but look at how cute this is. Okay, that's fun. I love these pillows for the fall. These are really pretty. These ones are also nice. Both are very hefty material, which I love. 30 each. This is such a good solid wood table for 200. It's like the perfect living room side table or even foyer table. It is stunning, very timeless. Just like the perfect tone. Like I said, solid wood. This one's so good. Oh, I love that. All right, just pulled up to the second location. I kind of like this lamp. 50. I just like the shape. It's kind of cool. Talk about adding some personality to your home. Look at these lamps. They're kind of interesting. $40. These are such beautiful hand washes. $6. I love the green. That's gorgeous. Okay, there's actually a few candles. This, like in the pickle jar, this beveled amber glass right here is absolutely stunning. $10. And then of course I've been into this like tortoise look lately. There's this one, and there's also this little one right here. So pretty. How sweet is this little rocking horse? 25, solid wood.
Good afternoon, HomeGoods.
These velvet skeletons are kind of interesting. They have quite a few little pumpkins. For some reason, I felt drawn to these ones. I mean, they're kind of striped looking, which would make sense because I'm into stripes right now, but even this one is so pretty. Ooh, and that green. These are such good accent chairs. Very modern. I love these. The fabric is so nice. They're 300 each. They have like iron and then wood right here. I really, really like these. They sit quite low. These are so good. Also, this mirror is such a good like anthropology dupe. Honestly, I'd probably paint it black, but it's on clearance for 200. Okay, this looks like one at Pottery Barn, except for the Pottery Barn's ceramic, but this is metal, $13. Little candy dish, how adorable is that? I also thought this was really cute. Let's see how much. 17. Kind of like classy decor for Halloween. Also, look at these candlesticks. $7. also this cute little candlestick. So cute. I think it's $10. Finished up at the second HomeGoods location, and this one didn't have nearly as much as the first location. So if you have two HomeGoods near you, go to both, check them out, because I do notice sometimes they do have different things or they don't get them out like at the same time, but they had a couple cute things. I'm going to Target now because I need to get some makeup, replenish some of my makeup. So I'm gonna see what they have as well, especially with seasonal decor. As you guys know, I'm not like the biggest, I like to collect my home decor over time and not just get it in one, you know, shop. However, I've gotten some solid seasonal decor from places like HomeGoods and Target. Like my gold nutcracker that I bring out around Christmas time, that was Target a few years ago, and I still love that piece to this day. So sometimes doing Target or HomeGoods or some of these big box stores for seasonal decor, I find is okay. Like, you're not gonna spend that much. That's kind of where I wanna save if I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna see if they have any of their Halloween decor out or even fall. I think I prefer to decorate for fall more than Halloween. But for some reason this year I'm like, wait, especially like I said, when I was looking on Pottery Barn and some of the other sites, I was like, do I like Halloween decor? But I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna see. I'm also gonna do like a shop with me, Pottery Barn shop with me, terrain. I might do like an online shop with me so I can kind of show you guys, you know, more stores, but I found some good stuff. Anyway, let's go to Target. Let's see what's new. Like I said, I'm gonna replenish some of my makeup, but I figured while I'm there, I may as well look. I am loving this color right now. It's like a caramel kind of color. And I think for the fall, it could be fun to switch out towels and just kind of do a fall vibe in there. Add some like dried botanicals. I love this color right now. I don't know what it is. Okay, I think I'm a little bit early for Target's fall decor, but there was one throw pillow. This one in this like gorgeous chocolate brown. And actually the quality doesn't feel terrible. It's a really small little throw pillow. I also love these ottomans, always have. But yeah, I'm not really seeing like a ton of fall. Maybe some of this is supposed to be fall. I mentioned this in the last video, but I do love this. I love the shape of it. It's really cool. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go get my makeup. Okay, that was a total flop for Target fall decor. They didn't, well, they could have had, that could have been their fall decor, but they didn't have like wreaths that I was looking for or anything like that. So I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. It's still July, so I might be a little ahead of the game. I guess I'm ready for fall, which normally, I don't know, I'm usually not like this early, but I guess I am this year. But I did get some makeup. I did a whole makeup routine video in a vlog that I did, so I'll link that down below. But I was running low on a few items, so I replenished. First, I got the Physicians Formula multicolored bronzer. I love this bronzer. It is so good. It's more neutral. It's not like too orangey, which I absolutely have been loving. I've purchased this a couple times now. So good. I got another one of my Superstay skin tint. This is what I've been using for foundation, and it has been a game changer for me. My skin looks so much more healthy, and it just is lighter, which I love. Big fan of this. Absolutely love that. I got 2 mascaras. I got the Voluminous, L'Oreal Voluminous in the color Deep Burgundy and Black. I like to mix the 2 of these. The burgundy just helps, you know, my blue eyes pop, so I like that. And then the last makeup item I got was a new Milani blush. I'm such a sucker for blush. I love blush, and I got this in the color Luminoso. So I'm super excited to try this out. And I've been wanting to try this color out. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Anyway, that's all I got from Target. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little early Halloween / fall HomeGoods shop with me. Let me know down in the comments which item was your favorite. Do you decorate for Halloween or fall? If you've watched some of my past videos in past years, I'm definitely pretty minimal when it comes to holiday decor as far as like Halloween. However, one year I just kind of want to go all out, just for fun, just to try it out and see. Sometimes I get so overwhelmed because I live in a small space by seasonal decor, but I feel like that could be really fun. Or maybe go to my sister's house and just decorate her house so my nephews can enjoy it. Anyway, let me know which item was your favorite in today's video, and I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye.
I would say we were good together.